In this quick AOL Mail tutorial, I will show you how to attach a photo to an email in AOL Mail on a computer PC, and as well I will show you how to attach a photo to an email in the AOL Mail application on a mobile phone for the iPhone and Android users. So that being said, let me show you now how to attach a photo to an email on the computer. So shortly, I'm using an internet browser, and you will have to go to mail.aol.com, open any internet browser which you'd like Google Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge, it doesn't really matter. Sign in into your account, and now let's press on compose, and I will try to send myself an email. As an example, you can send it to whoever you want. I will send it to myself. Now subject and description, it's up to you. I will just show you how to attach a photo. So now in the bottom left, you will see an attach button. Let's select it, and now AOL is asking you if you'd like to attach something from a recent email or a file locally from your computer. I will select this because I have a photo on my desktop which I would like to upload it. So now you'll have to go into your computer. You can select, as an example, this PC, go into C drive or D drive or wherever you have the photo which you'd like to attach. I have it on my desktop, so I'll select desktop. I have it right here. It's friends holiday. This is the photo which I'd like to attach to the email. So you'll have to click on it once. Now let's press on open, and now we can see in the bottom left the photo is being uploaded, is being attached right now to the email. You have to keep in mind a short disclaimer. Currently the maximum size of a photo or an attachment on AOL Mail have to be 25 megabytes. So you can't upload the larger photos larger than 25 megabytes. So that being said, my photo, it's attached right now. I can see it right here. Let's press on send. Okay, and my email has been sent to myself. Let's go back to the inbox, and in like a minute or two I will receive my email, and we can look at it. Okay, here it is. Let's open it, and now this is what the recipient will see. He will see your description, your title, and now he can press on preview to see the photo which you uploaded, or also he can press right here. If he hover over the photo, you can see this download icon. If I'll press on it, okay, we can see the photo has been downloaded on my computer, and I have it right here. So that's how to attach a photo to an email on AOL Mail on a computer. Let's move now on the mobile phone. Now for the mobile phone users, I will use the AOL Mail application. You can get this from the App Store if you have an iPhone, or you can download it from the Play Store if you have an Android. So I will open it, the AOL Mail application, and now let's go to inbox, and we can see a pen icon in the top right. Let's press on that pen icon to compose a new email, and the same thing, let's write here my own email address. Okay, and in the bottom left you will see an icon of a photo. Let's press on that icon to attach a photo, and here you can search through the photos of your phone. If by any chance you can't see any of that, if AOL can't access your photos, you will have to give permissions to the AOL Mail application in order to see the photos from your phone. I will show you at the end how to fix this issue in case AOL application can't access your photos, but for now let's move on, and the potential fix is at the end of this video. So you'll have to select the photo. I just tap on it once, okay? Now you can see it's selected. I will select just this photo, but if you want to send more than one photo, you'll just have to select every photo which you'd like to send, and in this way you'll attach multiple photos as attachments to an email. But for this tutorial, let's send just one, and in the top right you will see a button add. Let's press on add, and the photo has been added to my email, and I can press on send. So that's how to attach a photo on AOL Mail on a mobile phone and on a computer as well. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching. Now I will cover the fix for those who can't see their photos when they will try to attach a photo from their phone. In case if you didn't give permission to AOL when you installed the application back then, you will have to give permission for the AOL app to access your photo library, because otherwise you can't see the photos to attach them on an email. So to change that permission, you will have to open the settings of your phone. This works the same for iPhone users and Android users. I have an iPhone, and unfortunately I don't have an Android to show you that, but shortly you will have to open the settings, find the AOL there, and then give it permissions. So for the iPhone users, this is the only phone I have available right now. I will open the settings, and scroll down until you'll find down here apps. Let's press on apps, and now here is the list with all your applications which you have on your phone. Let's press on AOL, I have it right here. Now at the top, here are the permissions. We can see the photos right here. Let's press on photos. And if you can't see photos to add them on as attachments on an email, you may have this one marked on none. Okay, so AOL can't access your photos. You have to give permissions, so mark the second one, add photos only, so it can read your photo libraries from your phone, so you can see what photos you have when you want to attach them on an email. Shortly, more or less is the same on an Android phone, but I don't have one to show you that as well in this tutorial. I hope this quick tutorial on how to attach photos to an email on AOL Mail help you out on a mobile phone and on a computer as well. I hope this helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.